SMK helmets.
Let's quickly walk through replacing key parts on your SMK laminar helmet. Visor and mechanism replacement. Fully open the visor with your hand. Pull the visor out from its mechanism from one side. Repeat the same for the other side. You can also change the visor mechanism. Take a screwdriver, cover its metallic end with a soft cloth and take out SMK logo side plate. Remove the cover plate and visor mechanism. Place the new visor mechanism and press it back firmly into its holes. Check that it fits properly. Finally, align your new visor inside the mechanism until secure. Check that your visor moves smoothly.
SMK helmets.